The field of surveillance technology is undergoing rapid evolution, with the potential to significantly alter the way people are tracked and monitored in the future. In this video, we will highlight the key trends and innovations shaping the landscape of surveillance technology. Number 7. Smart cameras integrated with AI. Artificial intelligence will play a major role in shaping the surveillance technology of the future by turning smart cameras from basic recorders into intelligent systems with real-time analysis capabilities. These cutting-edge cameras will be able to recognize and comprehend a variety of activities within their field of vision thanks to machine learning algorithms. They will be able to discern, for instance, between typical pedestrian behavior and possibly suspicious activities, like someone attempting to enter a prohibited area or acting aggressively. This feature will be especially helpful in areas with heavy traffic like airports, retail centers, and hubs for public transportation, where the sheer number of people may overwhelm security measures. AI will also allow these cameras to adjust to and learn from their surroundings, which will eventually increase their accuracy over time. In order to build a seamless security network, it will also be able to integrate with other security systems like access control and alarms. As a result, security measures will become more proactive, allowing for the early detection and mitigation of possible risks before they materialize into significant incidents. Number 6. Enhanced facial recognition. The field of facial recognition technology is advancing quickly, and it will have a wide range of significant future applications in surveillance. Advanced deep learning techniques will be employed by next-generation facial recognition systems to analyze facial features with previously unheard-of accuracy, even in difficult situations like dim lighting, changing angles, or when people are partially obscured by clothing or accessories. Law enforcement organizations will find this technology invaluable as it will enable them to promptly identify suspects in crowded areas or at significant public gatherings. For example, face recognition technology can scan the audience in real time at a sporting event or concert and notify security staff of anyone who may have an outstanding warrant or known ties to criminal organizations. However, there are serious ethical questions about consent, privacy, and possible abuse raised by the widespread use of face recognition technology. Robust regulations and public discourse will be required to address issues like data retention policies, the accuracy of technology in identifying individuals from diverse backgrounds, and the possibility of overreach in surveillance. As this technology becomes more widely used, it will be crucial to strike a balance between the advantages of increased security and the preservation of civil liberties. Number 5. 3D object tracking. The development of 3D object tracking technology will greatly improve surveillance systems' capabilities by giving rise to a more thorough comprehension of behavior and movement in 3 dimensions. Conventional security cameras usually function in 2 dimensions, producing flat visuals that may overlook important spatial relationships and interactions. On the other hand, sophisticated sensors like LiDAR and depth sensing technology will be built into smart cameras of the future, enabling them to track objects in 3 dimensions. This ability will be especially helpful in crowded venues or complex environments like cities, where it is essential to comprehend movement dynamics in order to monitor effectively. For instance, a 3D tracking system in a crowded mall could examine foot traffic patterns to pinpoint areas of congestion or possible security risks. Furthermore, by enabling drones to autonomously navigate complex environments and provide real-time data on object movement and behavior, this technology will improve drone surveillance capabilities. Security personnel will be able to respond to incidents more skillfully as they arise thanks to 3D object tracking, which provides a richer and more detailed view of activities within a monitored area. Number 4. Integration with 5G and cloud computing. The introduction of 5G technology, which offers higher connectivity, lower latency, and faster data transmission speeds, will completely transform surveillance systems. Thanks to 5G's near-instantaneous processing power, smart cameras will be able to instantly send high-definition video feeds to cloud-based platforms. Through this integration, security teams will be able to monitor multiple locations at once and respond to incidents as they arise, facilitating advanced analytics and machine learning processes. Urban settings will thus become more safe and resilient, with surveillance systems capable of changing to meet new threats and difficulties. Number 3. Augmented reality integration. The incorporation of augmented reality technology into surveillance systems has the potential to revolutionize the way security personnel engage with real-time data and improve their efficiency in the field. Security guards can watch live video feeds and have contextual information superimposed on their field of vision by using augmented reality technology. For example, when an officer wears AR glasses, they may notice areas of interest that are highlighted, such as people who have been flagged by facial recognition software or notifications regarding odd behavior that AI algorithms have identified. Officers' situational awareness will be greatly improved by this immersive experience, allowing them to make better decisions during crucial incidents. AR can also be used to simulate different scenarios that security personnel might come across in the field during training. Officers can hone their response plans and increase their preparedness for actual situations by using AR to practice in a controlled setting. Incorporating augmented reality into surveillance systems is a big step towards improving the efficacy and efficiency of security operations, which will ultimately result in safer communities. The use of augmented reality in surveillance will probably grow as the technology develops, providing new resources for both proactive and reactive crime management. Number 2, predictive analytics. Future surveillance technologies will be heavily dependent on predictive analytics, which will allow systems to foresee possible security threats before they happen. These systems are able to analyze historical data and identify patterns that suggest a possibility of criminal activity by utilizing the power of big data, machine learning, and statistical modeling. For example, predictive analytics can notify law enforcement to step up patrols in those areas during specific times or events if data indicates that certain locations have higher crime rates. By taking a proactive stance, law enforcement organizations can optimize resource allocation and improve public safety by concentrating their efforts where they are most needed. Predictive analytics can also be used to evaluate the risks connected to public events and large gatherings, assisting event planners in putting in place the right security measures to fend off possible threats. As these technologies develop further, they will offer insightful information that can enhance community safety overall and guide strategic planning. Predictive analytics will ultimately enable security agencies to be less reactive and more proactive, resulting in a more successful and efficient strategy for crime prevention. Number 1, AI-powered drones. Drones with AI capabilities are expected to play a key role in contemporary surveillance systems, providing a versatile and effective way to keep an eye on big areas and challenging to reach areas. These drones will be able to patrol defined zones autonomously, recording video and doing real-time data analysis thanks to their sophisticated sensors, high-resolution cameras, and AI algorithms. Drones, for instance, can be used to provide aerial surveillance during public events, keeping an eye on crowd dynamics and spotting possible security risks from above. Drones with AI capabilities will also be able to identify particular objects or behaviors, like abandoned bags, people who might be a threat, and crowd density. Drones are a useful tool for surveillance because they can quickly relay information to ground personnel, improving situational awareness and facilitating rapid incident response. However, the use of drones for surveillance creates significant ethical questions about privacy because of the possibility of unauthorized data collection and monitoring due to the drone's ability to take pictures and collect data from above. Clear laws and policies controlling the use of drones for surveillance must be put in place in order to allay these worries and guarantee that the advantages of the technology are balanced with the protection of individual rights. Drones will probably play a bigger role in surveillance as technology develops, bringing with it new possibilities to improve security and safety for the general public. As these technologies advance, society will need to have constant conversations about how best to use them and what precautions should be taken to maintain public safety while respecting individual liberties. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.